Before watching this video, you should read the script that we're going to be talking about. If you want to download the Nike commercial script so that you can follow along, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. That way you have the context you need to watch this video so that it makes sense. Let's get into it. When you are brought into a project, the director is going to explain his or her vision to you. As the editor, it's your job to listen first and talk second. Even if the director sucks at explaining his vision, it's your job to interpret that vision and bring it to life. It's not easy. So let's do it. Now that you've read the script and read the director's notes, let me explain to you the director's vision for the story. Here's 2 quotes. This is where the idea came from. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And number 2 is no struggle, no strength. These quotes tell me that if you want to improve, it's gonna hurt. And so my idea is that what if we take a step back and looked at it as if the challenge, right, the struggle, was just something to get out of the way. And I thought this would be a great Nike commercial. So let me set the scene. We're in the middle of a desert. No one's around except for our track runner. He's looking out into the distance and he seems a little distraught. We don't really know why, but then he looks at his shoes. His Nikes give him confidence. Yeah. Okay, I could do this. He gets into his track stance and everything goes quiet. He's ready to race. Then the roar of an engine comes from behind him. A Mustang pulls up right next to him. He's racing a car on foot. It seems almost comical. As the atmosphere quiets, track runner lets out a grin. And what that grin says is, I'm about to change. I'm about to level up. The gun goes off and we cut to black and text pops up. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. I want the viewer to feel pumped, ready to go. I want them to be aware that if challenge is present, you're in the right place. If fear is present, you are in the right place because it reveals to you that you're about to level up, you're about to change, you're about to grow, you're about to mature, and you'll always come out stronger and more knowledgeable on the other side. That's the story I want to tell. And as the editor, you have 30 seconds to represent this. All right, now let's put our cutter's cap on. First question to ask yourself is, did I feel it? Do I like it? Is this narrative something I could stand behind? How can we create that emotion with the footage we have? Well, first let's get as clear as we can on the emotion we want to convey. Confidence, courage, tenacity, maybe a tad of brash and crazy. And what does that tell us as the editor? Confidence and courage is going to come straight from our actor. So this project is going to be heavily influenced by our actor. He's our source of that emotion. So a lot of the editing is going to be concentric around our character. And when I say concentric, I mean that every cut will have a purpose that aids our character's development. We're used to seeing things very analytically and binary as editors, but it is so important that we indulge in conversations like these and stretch that narrative muscle in our brain. You need to ask questions like nobody's business. Questions that make you feel confident, make you feel like you can achieve the end goal. The more we can get to the director's head, the clearer the vision is going to be. Hopefully this made sense. We are going to dive much deeper into theory and communication, but for right now, I'm giving you only what you need to move forward. So if you guys have any questions about story or communication with the director, vision, or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, it was a free extract from my larger course called Shut Up and Cut. This video is part of a longer playlist of videos that teach you the video editing process on a Nike commercial production right here on YouTube. And if you want to watch the next immediate video in the series, you could click this video right here to do that. So click it.